Today I'm making a barbecue ranch chicken crescent ring. First in my bowl I have 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Next I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce. Then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of ranch. Next I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now I have a lined cookie sheet and a can of crescent rolls. Next I'm going to add the crescent rolls, and then in the center you'll have a circle. And I'm just going to press down on the crescents. Next I'm going to add the barbecue chicken ranch filling. I'm going to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top of the chicken. Next I'm going to take each end of the crescent and fold it into the center, and then bake this at 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. This is what the crescent ring looks like when it comes out of the oven, and I let it cool for about 5 minutes before I cut into it. Here's a slice of the barbecue ranch chicken crescent ring.